Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of comfort and relaxation with what I believe is the best futon mattress topper on the market. Introducing the MLILY Full Mattress Topper, a luxurious 3-inch memory foam topper infused with cooling gel. Designed to transform your sleep experience. First off, let's talk about comfort. The MLILY mattress topper is like sleeping on a cloud. Its soft yet resilient memory foam provides optimal pressure-relieving support, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. But what sets this topper apart is its cooling gel infusion. Say goodbye to sweaty nights. The cooling gel promotes airflow and dissipates heat, keeping you comfortably cool throughout the night. Customers rave about the MLILY topper's ability to renew old mattresses, instantly upgrading your sleep without breaking the bank. Plus, it's CertiPure US certified, guaranteeing durability, performance, and content quality. Installation is a breeze with the MLILY mattress topper. It comes compressed, rolled, and neatly packed in a box, ready to be unboxed and set up in just minutes. And let's not forget about sustainability. With its OEKO Tex Standard 100 certification and Climate Pledge friendly recognition, you can rest easy knowing that this product is made with safer chemicals and environmentally friendly practices. So, if you're ready to elevate your sleep to new heights, look no further than the MLILY Full Mattress Topper. Trust me, your nights will never be the same again. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, sleep tight.